Kia's EV lineup has quietly matured into one of the most important bargains in the EV market. Efficient, sensible, and packed with value. But practicality isn't everything. For buyers who crave a little fire beneath the floorboards, Kia appears ready to give the EV3 a proper sporty sibling. The EV3 GT, recently spied testing hard at the Nürburgring. The GT Mule suggests Kia isn't content with merely offering range numbers. It wants some driving drama, too. From the photos and the testing behavior, the EV3 GT's change is part show, part substance. The car's bodywork is heavily disguised, which usually means designers and engineers are hiding more than a fresh coat of paint. Expect reshaped front fascias, reworked intakes, and subtle rear tweaks aimed at improving aerodynamic balance, not dog-eared styling flourishes. The prototype also sports a different set of wheels, less Ioniq 6-like, more unique, and a set of bright green rear brake calipers. Visual signals that this is not the base EV3 you went to test drive last month. The headline change under the skin is the move from single-motor front drive to a dual-motor layout, adding an electric motor at the rear and converting the EV3 into an all-wheel drive package. That should improve traction and give the car a quicker, more dynamic feel in corners. Before you start dreaming of supercar pace, temper expectations. Insiders suggest the GT may come in closer to 280 horsepower, not the sub 3000 HP fantasy some forums hope for. That puts the EV3 GT in a brisk but not obsessive realm, fun for daily driving and capable on a twisty back road, but not a headline-chasing hypercar. Range and battery choices are also pragmatic. Kia is expected to keep the EV3's flagship 81.4 kWh pack, which on the front drive model is rated for an impressive long-distance number. Naturally, adding a second motor and putting more emphasis on performance will nudge that certified figure down, but the underlying 400-volt electrical architecture will remain, simplifying development and keeping charging compatibility intact. In short, the EV3 GT looks like a sensible performance variant rather than a radical new model. Why this matters? The EV3 is a mainstream car, affordable, efficient, and aimed at buyers who want practical range and utility. A GT variant broadens the lineup's emotional appeal. It gives Kia a product to sell to buyers who prioritize driving feel without losing sight of the EV3's core strengths. For Kia, that's a smart move. It keeps the model relevant, creates marketing buzz, and gives more customers a reason to step into the brand. Keep an eye on further spy shots and Kia announcements. The GT appears to be coming for buyers who want their EVs to be both practical and a little playful.